Happy Pride, Calgary. Welcome to another Heat Facebook Live, What's in Your Prevention Toolbox. Last week when we got together, I spoke about PEP, or post-exposure prophylaxis. This week, we're going to talk about PrEP, or pre-exposure prophylaxis. Oral PrEP, or pre-exposure prophylaxis, was first approved for HIV prevention in individuals to reduce their risk of actually becoming HIV positive. Results from several studies have proven this to be 99% effective in preventing HIV. In Canada and Alberta, PrEP is recommended for men who have sex with men and transgender men. On February of 2016, Health Canada approved PrEP as a medication for Canadians to protect themselves against the transmission of HIV. Truvada was the very first approved PrEP medication and was produced by Gilead Sciences, and is now available in 4 generic versions, substantially reducing the price and some of the costs affected by the medication. It's important to remember, though, that PrEP is really only for the prevention of HIV, and that condoms and other barriers still need to be part of your prevention toolbox. Other STIs remain a serious infection for transmission, so condoms are an effective barrier for this method. PrEP is currently approved in Canada and Alberta. Oh, I've already said that. We're not going to say it again. So the cost of PrEP is not currently covered by Alberta, even though it has been approved for prescription. So you will need to go see your family doctor. You can get a prescription from your family doctor for PrEP, but the cost of this medication will be up to you. Now, you may have to pay for this out of pocket, full price. You may also have private insurance that will help cover 80% of the cost, and that will bring the price down quite a bit. And when we add the option of generics now available, that further reduces the price. So if you want to know more about costs and where you can access these, feel free to contact us. We're happy to help. Some of the benefits that we have for PrEP that we know are really true and needed are that it's an additional prevention option for people to have in their toolbox. It reduces HIV stigma. It definitely eases the anxiety of HIV for people who are taking the medication. There's no serious side effects noted with PrEP, and we see an increased knowledge of HIV and STI testing as a result of this PrEP option being made available to our community. Remember, if you have any questions or ideas or thoughts on topics we should be discussing, please let me know. Contact us through Messenger or via email. And remember, next week we'll be talking about treatment as prevention, or TASP. Have a great Pride, everyone. Know before you go.